The carbon corner brace is an ideal solution for reinforcing corners that are cracking or separating and can be used on both the exterior and interior of a home or building. The 2-foot-long, 4-inch wide brace is made of carbon fiber and allows for enough flex to bond around corners that aren't a perfect 90 degrees. Whenever possible, the installation should incorporate re-grid extension straps or overlapping vertical straps to create a stronger bond to the structure. To install, first mark the placement of your braces and grind the surface to remove any paint or coatings. Make sure to grind where extensions or overlapping vertical straps will be installed as well. Braces should be approximately 2 feet on center. Second, when using extension straps, install them to the corner using the Extreme 4070 structural epoxy. Run the extensions as far down the surface as you can. We recommend at least 4 feet total from the corner to the end of the extension when possible. Third, remove the white peel ply from the back of the corner brace and install the brace over the top of the extensions. Finally, apply Mylar over the top of the corner and extensions to create a more secure bond. Leave the Mylar in place until the epoxy cures. When using corner braces with vertical straps, such as the InvisiBeam straps, install the corner braces first and then apply the vertical straps over top of the corner braces. Horizontal extensions are not necessary in this application, but can still be used if desired to address cracking further down the surface. When doing installations on corners on the exterior of a home or building, make sure you consider the temperature. Epoxy will cure faster on hot days or in direct sunlight and will struggle to cure if the temperature is below 55 degrees.